Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to see your phone number on iPhone. So if you want to find out your phone number on your iPhone to confirm whether it is right or not, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't have this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There are quite a number of ways you can use to see or find your phone number on any iPhone, and here I will detail all the approaches. First, go ahead and open the phone app. Then if you're on the recent or you're on dialer, which is keypad, come here and click on contact. Then you should see my card at the top. Click on my card. Then once you click on my card, if you scroll down here, you're gonna see your phone number here. You see that? So that's one of the ways you can use to find your phone number on your iPhone. Secondly, you can go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings page, click on your Apple account, that is your iCloud account, and then wait for this page to load. Once it loads, come here and click on personal information. Then once you selected personal information, wait for that page to load as well, and once the page loads, you have access to your phone number. Then click on sign in and security, and then hang on, you may need to click on sign and security multiple times before you can see this page, and then you're going to see your phone number here. So if this is your iMessage phone number, then you're going to see it here. You can just come here, click on edit the phone number, and then add another phone number here. So once you click on the information icon on the phone number here, you can just go ahead and register the phone number by removing it. Then another way you can use to see your phone number on your iPhone is scroll down and open iMessage on your iPhone. So just go ahead and open iMessage. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier, you should see iMessage under the settings page. On iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps. Then scroll down the page and click on messages. Just keep scrolling and click on messages. Then click on it. Now once you selected messages, come to iMessage here. Make sure this is turned on. If this is turned off, go ahead and turn this on and click on send and receive. Here you're going to see your phone number on your iMessage. So this is the phone number you're currently using for iMessage. So that's your phone number. Also, you can also come here and open FaceTime. So go ahead and open the FaceTime application on your iPhone. Once you open that, then you should see your phone number here. Mark you, if the FaceTime phone number is different from the phone number you have on your phone app card page here, you can go ahead and edit it by clicking on the edit button at top right, like this. Then delete the number and then set your correct phone number. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. So you're going to see this phone number if this is your default phone number. If it is not, go ahead, remove it, remove. Then type your phone number here. Once typed, go ahead and click on done button. Done, and then there you go. See? Then you can easily go ahead now and share this phone number as contact with anyone. So that is basically how to see your phone number on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.